Growing potatoes in plastic bottles is an innovative and space-efficient method that yields abundant tubers. To start, select sturdy plastic bottles with a minimum capacity of 2 liters. Ensure they are clean and have lids. Cut the plastic bottles horizontally, leaving the top portion as a funnel and the bottom as a container. Fill each bottle with the prepared soil mix, leaving some space at the top. Begin by gathering potato seeds or small potato tubers with at least one eye or sprout. Plant the potato seeds or tubers about 4 to 6 inches deep, ensuring the sprouts face upward. Water the soil thoroughly, keeping it consistently moist but not waterlogged. Monitor the plants for signs of pests and diseases, addressing issues promptly. When the potato plants reach a height of 8 to 10 inches, add more soil to cover the lower stems, leaving only the top leaves exposed. This process, known as hilling, encourages additional tuber development. Continue to hill the soil as the plants grow, gradually filling the bottles. As the potato plants mature, flowers will appear. Once the flowers bloom and start to fade, it's an indication that the tubers are forming below the soil surface. When the plants begin to yellow and die back, the potatoes are ready for harvest. Carefully append the bottles, allowing the soil and tubers to spill out. Retrieve the potatoes from the soil, avoiding damage to the delicate tubers. Wash off excess oil and air dry the potatoes for a few hours before storage. Storage is crucial to maintain the quality of harvested potatoes. Choose a cool, dark, and well-ventilated space to store the potatoes. Avoid exposing them to direct sunlight, as this can cause greening and increase levels of a toxic compound called solanine. Additionally, store potatoes away from fruits, as certain fruits release ethylene gas, which can accelerate sprouting. Potatoes grown in plastic bottles not only maximize space but also offer a convenient and controlled environment for optimal tuber production. By following these detailed steps, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of homegrown potatoes, fresh and free from harmful chemicals. This method allows even those with limited garden space to experience the satisfaction of growing their own potatoes and savoring the delicious results.